Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to download and install Bleach Brave Souls game on your iOS device. So in order to do that, first of all, open up App Store and also make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet. In the search box, type in Bleach Brave Souls and then search. Look for this application and tap the Get button to start downloading the app. Authenticate with your Face ID, Touch ID, or your Apple ID password, and then the game will start downloading. Wait for a couple of minutes until the game is done installing, and you can simply launch the game open and enjoy. So that's how you get the Bleach Brave Souls game on your mobile device in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.